Google Meet versus Zoom? Well, in this video, I'll discuss remote work tips for better audio and closed captioning so that you can hear and communicate more effectively on your next Google Meet or Zoom call. Coming up. Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. On this channel, we provide hearing healthcare education and audio technology product reviews. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon for notifications, and check out my free ebook in the description below. Okay, let's jump into the video. Today, I'm talking about audio and closed captioning options for Google Meet and Zoom. Have you been working from home and using one of these platforms regularly? Do you have hearing loss or difficulty understanding what's being said on the call? Well, the tips that I'll share today will help maximize your ability to understand others and be heard more clearly. First of all, which platform do you use and what do you like the most about it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please ask any questions that you might have. Okay, so just one quick note. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection before you join your Google Meet or Zoom call. A weak signal can make the audio and video choppy. Intermittent dropouts of the audio will make it especially difficult to understand what's being said. Even better, if it's possible, just plug your computer directly into your internet modem with an Ethernet cable for a strong signal. Zoom audio settings. The first thing you want to do is check your audio before you join a Zoom call. You'll have the option to test your microphone by recording your voice and playing it back. You can do this when you're logging into a call, and you can also access it under Preferences within the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure your microphone is selected and check your input level. Also, make sure the speaker is set correctly so that you can hear everyone. You also want to select two options. Join audio by computer when joining a meeting and mute microphone when joining a meeting. This keeps the background noise to a minimum. Zoom automatically tries to improve the sound quality of your own voice under audio processing located in the advanced audio settings. You can choose the option Enable Original Sound instead for a more natural sound quality. Google Meet audio settings. Check your audio before joining the Google Meet call. First, look for the three green dots in the lower left-hand corner of the video window. Start speaking into your mic and you should see those green dots move in response to your voice. If you don't, look at the bottom right-hand corner of the video window and you'll see three white dots. Click on that and go to Settings. Here you'll see the Audio tab where you can select your microphone and speakers. Start speaking and the dotted line next to the mic should begin moving. It adjusts the volume of your voice automatically. Closed captioning. Closed captioning is available in both Zoom and Google Meet. This feature especially is important if you have hearing loss and use assistive hearing technology like hearing aids or cochlear implants. Also, if you experience intermittent choppy audio and video during your call, use of closed captions can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively. For Zoom, in order to use this feature, the host must enable it. Then a participant within the meeting must manually type in the spoken words in real time. The only way around this is to use a third-party transcription service. I'll leave a link on how to do that in the description below. For Google Meet, closed captioning is already included and automatic. The audio transcription is very effective. You can activate closed captions under the same menu where you adjust your audio settings before joining the call. Just click the three white dots at the bottom right-hand corner of the video window and you'll see the option Turn on Captions. Once you're on the call, the Captions On and Off button is at the bottom of the screen. Google Meet versus Zoom. So if you want more control over your audio quality settings, Zoom provides more options. Google Meet automatically adjusts the audio for you. I like the option within Zoom to disable audio processing of my voice. Just select the option Enable Original Sound. This can be helpful for musicians who want a better sound quality for music on the call. An example would be somebody who's teaching virtual music lessons or using music as a part of their presentation or instruction. As far as closed captions, Google Meet is a clear winner. It does everything automatically. You do not need to have someone manually type in the words or use another third-party transcription service. So overall, for ease of use and automatic closed captioning, I recommend Google Meet. It will serve most people's meeting needs. If you're hearing impaired, Google Meet's closed captioning will help you communicate more effectively on your next call. Now, if you're looking for a more in-depth review of equipment options as well as a detailed Zoom tutorial for better audio and video, make sure to check out my video in the suggested videos above or in the description below. I'll leave a link for that video as soon as it's available. So for today's question, which platform do you prefer, Google Meet or Zoom? Why? I'd love to know your thoughts, so please comment below and let's connect. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you receive value from this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Remember to check out the notes in the description below for more information and connect with ProFit Hearing on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. If you're interested in hearing aids, click on the link in the description below for my free ebook, How to Buy Hearing Aids. Know what to ask your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser so that your hearing aids are easy to use and have all the features you're looking for. Remember, ProFit Hearing brings you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.